old school. Is there any way to make it more interesting? What about 3RP can make it? Step 1. Let's use CAD to create the 3D model and load the program into the CNC machine. Jimmy, could you please help?
No problem.
Step 2. The hot CNC lathe is now machining the raw material. Guess what's happening here? Step 3. Finally, inspection. Look at the data displayed by the CMM machine. The diameter and roundness are perfect. Drum roll please. Now we get an aluminum billiard ball. Let's give it a shot. Nice! Ready to ditch the ordinary? Connect us for a quote and make a product legendary.